Good morning audience, myself Anvi Gupta, student of class 8th with my colleague Umra Mansoori. She is also from class 8th. Today we want to share some highlights about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as the Iron Man of India, was a central figure in India's struggle for independence and the subsequent integration of the Peninsula state. His legacy is defined by the unwavering resolve, pragmatism and vision for a united nation. Unification of India. As India's first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, Patel was the primary architect of the integration of over 560 peninsula states into the Union following independence in 1947. He used a combination of skillful diplomacy, persuasion, and the necessary force to convince the rulers of these states to join India, ensuring the territorial integrity of the newly formed India. Role freedom of struggle. Influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, Patel organized peasants in Gujarat to participate in non-violent civil disobedience against the British Raj. Kheda Satyagraha in 1918. He led farmers in protest against the unfair taxes during a famine. Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928. He successfully organized a tax refusal campaign against the British, for which the local women vetoed upon the title Sardar, the chief.
My name is Umra Mansoori, student of class 8A, visionary administrator. Patel organized relief efforts for the thousands of refugees fleeing from Pakistan during the partition and worked tirelessly to restore peace. He played a crucial role in establishing the modern All India Services, which is the famously called the steel frame of India, to provide a stable administrative foundation for the new democracy. Other contribution, legal career. He was a successful barrister who returned from London to practice law in India. He later gave up his lucrative legal career to join the freedom movement, Bharat Ratna. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1991. Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, was dedicated to him in Gujarat on his 143rd birth anniversary 2018. His birth anniversary, October 31st, is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day. Thank you.